Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the VANS old school that was collaborated with the WTAPS. This one is the white black. Retails about 80 something bucks and plus tax is about 90 something dollars. And this was picked up from restock that my son got. So anyway, let's go and then show you guys what he got. And this one is so ready, so let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully there's no invoice in here, so it's pretty quite heavy. Wow. So here's the item number and then a description right here. It's a size 10.5. Color is GPS white and then black. So go ahead and give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. It's in an orange box with this black VANS font, and you got the rectangular box with the registered logo right there, and off the wall WTAPS. And it's VANS number 1 Waffle Lovers Club. Got the same logo on this side. Then here's the size chart right here. It says designed in California. The shoes is made in Vietnam. 100% recycled paper. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's so heavy. Here's a size label. Got the black ring right here. Oh, so it's $85 retail price, not 80. So and then that's the barcode number right there. All right, so let's go ahead and slide this open. So you got the white plastic. It says WTAPS and then off the wall. Yeah, so it is pretty quite heavy. So I'm not sure why this is white color. It's more like a kind of like a off-white cream. Got the WTAPS. Then those degree. Guess the coordination. And then on the back of the heel cup, you got the WTVUA. And then there's off the wall tab right there, originals. Got the off-white lace with the white tip. And then here's your off-white tag and a sticker. VAULT. And then here's a shoes tree. Check out the tongue. The tongue here at the off the wall. And inside it shows VANS #1 Waffle Lover Club. And then there's a size right there. Got the WTAPS and then VANS original. And you got the gum also right here. Waffle. And then here's the other shoes. And then this one has a sticker on the insole right there. Let me turn on the flash real quick. I don't think this is 3M. Yeah, so just want to double check it. There's no 3M reflective. I thought the stripe might be 3M, but it's not. Little bit of the glue right here. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop in comments on below. And thank you for watching. Well, see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.